Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia guys, and you have problems with the alternator not charging. We'll explain in this video how you can easily fix that, but make sure to stay until the end. There is one simple mistake that people can make that can actually destroy your electronics on your car and cost you thousands of dollars. So all that will be covered in this video today. Now, sometimes you can just fix that alternator for a few dollars and take care of that, and we're going to cover that today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools, alternator, anything for your Hyundai Kia for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can find where you can get them from. So with that being said, we have the alternator removed here. Now we're going to talk about simple mistakes people make when removing or replacing alternator that can destroy your engine, computer, electronics modules. But before we start, I just remembered guys that many of you have been asking us about recommendations for a good scanner for your Hyundai Kia. This is the one that we use daily. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai Kia is right here and it can pay itself off in one-time use practically. So now the alternator right here, as you can see, that's the signal wire going to the engine computer. That's the charging wire right here that attaches with a nut. We have it removed, and we're going to mention a little bit simple mistake people make. So here we'll have two nuts that we need to remove with 8mm socket. On this one we don't have a nut. You may have a little bit different design depending on the year, model and displacement of your engine. That's your alternator. Now things that can go wrong here guys, this is the diode pack, this is voltage regulator, and this is guys the brush pack right here. Now the brushes usually will be the first thing that will go on higher mileage alternators. Why? Because the alternator will be constantly spinning and it will contact with the brushes. We need to grab that thing, and if I remove it, you can see where the brushes are right here, two brushes contacting the copper surface of that alternator. I'm trying to zoom in so you can clearly see that. And now in some cases you can replace just the brushes easily, and you can do that, but this one comes with the voltage regulator, so we'll explain how to replace the brushes on that alternator. 3 bolts that we need to remove, 7mm socket here, and we need to pull them out. Perfect. Now it comes in an angle, like that, and we can pull it out, and those are your brushes. If they're wore out or the alternator is wore out here, it will not charge guys. Now some people can easily replace those. You can take it apart and solder new brushes, but I would just recommend to replace the whole assembly if you have one of those with the regulator, voltage regulator, and the brushes, because in some cases it may be a bad voltage regulator as well. But yeah, that's the brush pack. That's how you replace it guys. We'll show you how to install it now. We ordered ours, so it should come in a few days, but we'll just go ahead and show you how to put it together now. So when you're ready to install it, you will need to push the brushes, make sure that they're in the canal, right here. Then they go in an angle, like that, and you can see now what we have to do is you need to install the bolts. Make sure you don't over tighten these bolts. If you want to see how to test the alternator diode pack, we'll have a video how to test alternator diode on a car. It's on our channel. It will teach you how to do that to make sure that yours is in good condition. So let's go ahead. Get it tight, and don't forget to install the cover as well, and the one on top. Now a common mistake people make when removing the alternator guys is they will not disconnect the car battery when they do that. And if you don't, you can see you have the positive wire coming directly from the car battery to right here, and if it touches like that, the right now the AC compressor, you can burn the electronics on your car. Another thing, it really matters on these modern cars which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn the electronics as well. So we have a special video that explains actually which battery terminal to remove and connect first. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.